In front of me is Motorola Edge 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on Notifications over here. Now choose App Notifications and tap on Most Recent. Then choose one of those options to sort your apps by ones with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, all apps on your Motorola, or apps with notifications already blocked. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, use blue switches next to apps from which you want to block them, or gray ones to switch them back on. Quick tip, you can always tap on any app on the left and not only manage all notifications from here, but also check out all of those other options of notifications for your chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!